Okay, the last thing we're going to go over is if sometimes when the bacteria shows like suspect presence, they will have you run a SediVue bacteria confirmation test. It is this yellow box here, which has all of these parts in it. So we're going to do that now. So to run it, you have to go to the result you already ran. So for Gracie Hamblin, and then we're going to go up here and add test up in the upper right corner. And then you're gonna go SediVue, confirm bacteria, this button here. And then if you need it, there are instructions right here, which will pop up everything I'm about to tell you how to do if you do forget the steps for it. There are also paper in the box as well. But basically what we're gonna do is put our urine into a white top tube. And then I'm kind of going to set this over here so you can see what I'm doing, but I can't pull it up while I am holding onto it. So we're going to get our pipetter out of the thing, and then we're going to go and just suck up the amount of urine that it holds. And now I'll probably do it one-handed again. After we get that sucked up, that is going to go into the little tube that I got out of the bacteria box. So that's right, what's right in there. Then you're going to do the red bottle first. Sorry. Okay. You're going to put 1 drop of reagent 1 into the tube. Just 1 drop. And then you're going to close that. And then you're just going to invert it 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're going to reopen it. Maybe. There we go. Reopen it. And then you're going to do the same thing with the reagent 2 bottle. So the blue bottle. You're going to open it up and put 1 drop in our little tubey. 1 drop. And then again, close that up and invert it 5 times, just to mix it up. And then after that is done, we're going to reopen up this tube, and we're going to get a new pipette tip for our pipetter. And put that on the end here, so we have a clean pipette tip on there. And we're just going to suction up, again, what that holds, like that, so it's full in the end. And then on our screen here, so you have the instructions up, we're going to hit OK, because we're done with the instructions. And then we're going to add test. It's going to ask you want to append, merge, replace, or do new results. And I always do append, because we're just going to add these results onto the results we already had. So append, it's going to hit up our thing showing us what we have in process. And again, we're going to get our little slide. This time, since we're using a pipetter instead of a syringe, our pipette tip is going to go in that same spot. You're just going to push down that pipetter. It will fill up our little cartridge. And then make sure you don't let go of the end of the pipetter until you've picked it up. Otherwise, it will suck your urine back out of your cartridge. And then just again hit the yellow button to start. And then when it finishes, it will again print out results of the exact same results you saw the first time, but with one additional part that says bacteria confirmation, cocci rods with a present or negative. So just give you a more comprehensive look at whether or not there is bacteria in that urine sample. Okay, and then I just want to show you what this looks like. So our original sample suspected presence of cocci in the urine, and then when it reprinted after the confirmation, these are the original results, and then it adds on a part down here for the bacteria confirmation, which does say none detected for both, and then we verified that with the confirmation kit. So that's what you're looking for after rerunning that second test on the SediVue.